Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use GoDaddy for domain registration step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Locate the search bar on the home page. Type in the domain name you wish to register. Click the Search Domain button. Review the search results for your desired domain. If your chosen domain is available, click the Add to Cart button. If the domain is taken, consider the suggested alternatives or modify your search. Once you have your domain in the cart, click on the cart icon at the top right corner. Review your selection and click on the Continue to Cart button. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. Fill in the required information if you are creating a new account. After logging in or signing up, review your cart again. Here, you can choose additional services, such as domain privacy or web hosting. To proceed, click on the Continue to Checkout button. Choose your preferred registration period, typically ranging from 1 to 10 years. Review any add-ons and make adjustments as needed. Enter your billing information in the provided fields. Select a payment method, such as a credit card or PayPal. Before finalizing your order, review all the details for accuracy. Click the Place Your Order button to complete the registration. You will receive a confirmation email once your purchase is successful. Your new domain is now registered and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.